Hey guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to fix iMessage stuck on verifying phone number. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing the issue that your iMessage has been stuck on verifying phone number, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to open your settings app, and here you have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. Or you can also try to check for your VPN connection. If you're connected to any VPN, try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting a VPN, you just have to go to your settings app here, go to general, go to software update, and just try to update your software. After updating software, go back and here go to the transfer reset iPhone. Select reset, then select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network, it will be fixed in the step and you'll not get the issue again. After resetting your network settings, you have to try to make a forced restart with your iPhone. And now to do this, you have to quickly press and raise volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. Your issue must have been fixed, but if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to check or verify any other number, or you can also try to contact with Apple Support team to get official help. So in order to do this, you have to simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your app store. You can use Apple Support web. Select iPhone from here, then select this more option. Look for messages app here, and you can try to offload your app, or you can also try to tap on this get more help option, then tap on callers, and after that you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with the Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get a feel that from there. So after that your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.